Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review a case, or actually two cases because I got it in two different colours, for the Honor 40 Pro. And this is a brand called, and bear with me whilst I try and read this, it's called PANGALPAT. So the brand is called PANGALPAT, and the model of the case is called PANTAOHUAUS. So PANGALPAT PANTAOHUAUS. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can look at these on Amazon and maybe buy them. Obviously it's an affiliate link. If you do purchase a case from there, you will be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. But let's start off by opening the first case. So I'm just going to open the plastic bag it's in, take the spongy polystyrene insert out, and as with other cases we've seen and that we've reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks, this is a relatively hard plastic on the inside with soft rubbery sides, and then a case which is plastic leather or pleather on the back, which does also cover the camera modules to the Honor Magic 4 Pro. Now, the Honor Magic 4 Pro does come with a case in the box when you get it out of the box. I've been using that since we unboxed and started our review process for the device. But here we are. I'm going to now put this case on the Cyan Honor Magic 4 Pro, and we'll go buttons in first. And it fits nice and snugly. It also leaves the side of the curved screen on the Honor Magic 4 Pro. It leaves it very accessible. Okay, so let's start at the back. As we can see, the cutouts are as expected. We have 4 cutouts here, plus the big central one, and little ones at the side. It looks actually quite good to me. And as you can see, that relatively small camera bump on the Honor Magic 4 Pro is pretty much mirrored in the case itself, so it doesn't protrude that much. But this case does give you some pretty decent protection for that screen. At the top of the Honor Magic 4 Pro case, you have a grill for the speaker, the infrared blaster and microphone. All these cutouts are pretty much in line with what is on the device. On the left hand side there is nothing in terms of cutouts. At the bottom we have a cutout for the microphone, USB Type-C port and the other speaker. And at the top we have just the volume rocker, volume up and down and power button, but more importantly a little lanyard loop cutout, so you can use this case as a lanyard friendly one. So if you have a wrist strap or a lanyard you want to wear with the case, it makes it possible. Now let's have a look at how the buttons perform. So power on and off, no problem there whatsoever. There's nothing impeding the face unlock from the cameras to work, so I can unlock my phone with my face. Let's check the volume buttons, which is where we've seen stickiness from other brands in the past. And as you can see here, with the Honor Magic 4 Pro buttons, there's no issues whatsoever. And I have to say, this case doesn't add much in terms of thickness to the device or weight. It actually makes it feel slightly lighter because it gives it a little bit of volume, but not a lot. And as you can see here, the sides of the device, for gestures, that lovely curved screen is not stopped from being used, so I'm very happy with that. And also this is a nice color. I quite like this orange one, but I also did get a green one, a slightly more subtle color. Let's just have a look at that. Here we go, yes. This is slightly more textured in terms of feeling. It's not quite Mocodile, but it is a more leathery leather. let's have a look and see at how the green one fits. Yes, pretty much the same. We'll just check the volume rocker. Yeah, so let us know in the comments which one you prefer. Because in the UK we're not going to get the vegan leather version of the Honor Magic 4 Pro, I think this is a pretty good substitute. So obviously that vegan leather backed Honor Magic 4 Pro is available in select markets, sadly not the UK. This case may give you that vegan leather or pleather experience if you haven't, if it's something you are looking for. And as I said, it doesn't add much in terms of bulk to this case. So definitely a recommend from me. It is an affordable case. It's available from Amazon here in the UK. And I think that for the price, which is currently £7.13 here in the UK, so if you get two of them, it's £14.26. This is a pretty good deal. So I think this is a decent case, and I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for something a little bit more colourful for your Honor Magic 4 Pro. Anyway, keep an eye on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel if you're wanting to see more content about the Honor Magic 4 Pro. We're in the process of doing a long-term review and a series of videos about this new flagship from Honor, as well as some accessory reviews such as cases such as these. So, as I said, keep an eye on the channel and make sure you're subscribed. And if you have that notification bell turned on, you'll also get notified of when we do release new videos. On the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, we cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.